This is how Nike dominated Adidas in the 2012 Olympics. And here's how they did it. Adidas secured the title sponsorship of the Olympics for $150 million, and they thought they would overshadow Nike. But Nike used a brilliant strategy to outperform them and dominate the Olympics. Here's the full story. With Adidas as the official sponsor, Nike wasn't even allowed to use a term such as London Olympics 2012 or even use the iconic Olympic rings in their marketing campaigns. This favored Adidas significantly, and it was a challenge for Nike to make an impact. However, Nike came up with a genius approach to counter this challenge. They identified 3 key loopholes and leveraged them to their advantage. Step 1. Alternative Londons. Nike was prohibited from referencing London, UK in any of their marketing campaigns. So Nike cleverly shot their commercials in other Londons around the world. These included London, Ohio, London, Jamaica, London Hotel, London Gym. Step 2. Athlete sponsorship. Despite Adidas being the official sponsor, athletes were free to choose their footwear. Nike sponsored 400 athletes, providing them with a distinctive yellow-green shoe named Volt. This color choice ensured that there was a high amount of visibility on the tracks, indirectly associating Nike with the Olympics. Step 3. Inspiring the average individual. While Adidas flaunted Olympians on their ads, Nike took a different route, featuring average teenagers, showcased everyday individuals pushing their limits. This strategy emphasized the greatness in everyone, not just athletes. With these strategies, Nike outperformed Adidas in several key metrics. Nike generated 16,000 tweets in relation to the Olympics, compared to Adidas's 9,000, which is crazy because Adidas sponsored the Olympics. Nike also gained 57,000 new followers, whereas Adidas only gained 12,000. 37% of viewers thought that Nike was the official sponsor, while only 21% was for Adidas. Nike's brilliance is their ability to get in front of the audience no matter the challenges involved.